Naidu, first Prime Minister of India, good freedom fighter. I love children very much. My favorite flavor is panda.
I will say, UKG is a friend. Islamic is black. Real black has three colors. It is red. It's a red. It's red. Red color. But there are people. Yeah. Like that. Thank you. Morning to all. My name is Satya. I am first night. On the last time, take colors. Last time, the last time, when the Bengali Humaya. And this is thunderstar. Thunderstar. 21st of episode. Yes, sir. Good morning to all. My name is Priya. I'm studying first standard A1. I'm studying about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was great leader of India. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. Mahatma Gandhi was lawyer and scientist. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am Dixon. Session. Our national flag is Odas. British and British colors. British and aquatic car. British and spring fragrance. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Yamagari. I study section. My topic is God. Tiger is a white animal. It is a very big animal. It is the forest to us every time. It is the national animal India. It is a forest. Thank you. My name is UKG section. My topic is mango. Mango is the national fruit of India. India, always and love mango. This results make eye with this mango leaf. Double eye. It is in the sea. It is a little fruit. Thank you. My name is Kovil. I'm studying UKG section. The tiger is national animal. The tiger is wild animal. Living forest. Vast forest. Thank you. Maridua, I am Sayan. Lotus is the national flower. Lotus is green color. Lotus grow in water. Lotus really beautiful. Thank you. My name is Isan Sasta. UKG section. Lotus is a massive India. Aquatic flower, beautiful flower, it grows in the waters, many petals. Thank you.
Ready.
Good morning, everyone. I am Raifa Fardana. I speak about our national song. Our national song is